Namaste, myself Dr. Pushpa Kumar, Assistant Professor in the Department of Homeopathy Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathy Science at the Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today the topic is the study of different scale of preparation. We in this topic we study the various scale of the preparation of medicines. Let's the topic start. To bring the uniformity of strength, various potencies, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann introduced the standard scale for the preparation of potency. It is was the Sensimal scale. France used this scale exclusively in English-speaking country too. This is the scale is predominantly used. Later, the Dr. C. Herring introduced the decimal scale. Homeopathy pharmacopoeia, India used this scale for the preparation of potencies. In 1921 was the publication of sixth edition of Organon of Medicine. Another scale is present appear that is was 50 millisimilar scale or LM scale. There are the use of the scale of potentization. Firstly, scales of trituration, that is decimal scale or centesimal scale. A scale used for the suction method, that is decimal scale, centesimal scale or 50 millisimal scale. We study the centesimal scale. First scale that Hahnemann developed during the early years of the homeopathy uh, is the centesimal scale. As the name would suggest, it has the 1 ratio by 100 dilution ratio, and it is prepared uh, uh, the this method. Step 1. One part of mother tincture is diluted with 99 part of distilled water and alcohol mixture, and after that the liquid is suction 10 times, and its bottle firmly hitting the bottle face against a firm surface such as palms of hand or leather covered book. The resulting liquid potency is called 1C, 1 referring to the first stage of dilution, and Roman nomenclature C referring to 1 ratio by 100 dilution ratio. One part of 1C potency again diluted, and suction is 99 part of water and alcohol mixture to produce 2C medicines or potency. This series process of dilution and suction called potentization is further repeated to produce increasingly higher potency of the remedy. All homeopathic remedies have the numbers and the letters uh, that follow their names to indicate the potency of each remedy, and the letter and the number of CPS 60, a remedy prepared from the ink of cuttlefish, uh, tell us that has been through six stages of dilution and suction according to the Sensimal scale. A potency of 200 C would indicate that is been through the 200 stages, while the Roman numerical M would indicate it has been diluted with the suction 1000 times. Sensible scale remedies are versatile. Practitioner may prescribe them as a pillules, tablets, or liquids in higher low potency for the treatment of both acute and chronic diseases. They can also be found in the lower potency in retail store for the self treatment of simple acute problem. If does the repeated unnecessarily, the sensible scale may produce the proving symptoms. Designation. The scale is denoted by the C or CH numbers. The first potency is denoted this that is the 1C or 1CH. After that, the second potency is denoted by 2C potency. The higher strength potency is just like 1000 denoted by 1m, 10,000, 10m, 50m, 50,000. CM potency is that is 1 lakh potency. Method of preparation of sensible scale. In the method of suction. Take a perfectly clean new fial. Take one part of mother tincture. Add 99 parts of suitable vehicle like dispensing alcohol, and one third part of fuel is remains empty for downward stroke. Grasp the fuel in tightly hand with the thumb held firmly over the cork and strike with a powerful downward stroke of the arm and hard elastic body. Let each stroke terminate in a jerk. In this process, we make the 1C potency, and after that, the further potencies for making one take one part of previous potency and 99 part of dispensing alcohol and shake the fias as a as the given direction in the organ of medicine. In the trituration process of for the process of making 1C potency uh, process are the following points. For the making of first potency, one part by the weight of crude drug is triturated with the 99 parts of the weight of sugar or milk. Is the period of 1 hour, including these stages, is consuming 20 minutes. For the second potency, one part by the weight of first centimole potency is triturated with 99 parts of weight of sugar or milk. Trituration is done up to the third centimole potency, which after is converted to liquid potency. Hope you understand the centimole scale. It is worldwide used and first and oldest method to make the potency. Namaste.